Of course, a little press never hurts. When I first wrote the Do-It-Yourself Bailout, I spent quite a lot of time reaching out to journalists, newspaper articles, even television, because I wanted to spread the word. I wanted to educate people into becoming the CEO of the corporation of you, into treating their debt like a business. Here's just a few examples of some articles that I've had written. They're about me, but I don't consider them to be about me. I consider them to be about debt settlement so that you can learn the process also. The news appearances are, of course, a couple of my favorites. CBS News right here in my home market of Los Angeles, standing out on Hollywood Boulevard with a copy of the Do-It-Yourself Bailout saying, "This book is a must-read."
Many people are drowning in credit card debt, but leave it to a Hollywood filmmaker to find a way out. He managed to negotiate his way out from under crushing debt and is going to tell you how he did it. KCAL9's Glenn Walker is live in Hollywood with the details. Glenn, we want to know.
Yeah, that's right, Pat. Kenny Goldie has written a book. It's called the Do-It-Yourself Bailout. And if you are being buried by those finance charges on all your credit cards, this book is a must-read.
Well, we all know the economic downturn is affecting everyone, and folks across the nation are digging themselves out of debt in every way we can. And this morning, we have an author with us. His name is
I was on Good Morning Arizona and flew out to Arizona, staying in Phoenix for the night, so I could get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and tell the people of Phoenix, where I originally got into my debt when I was shooting across the stars, that if their situation had changed unexpectedly, they could do the same thing. Do I have to tell you results may vary? Of course I do. Do I believe that when you are informed the way all of my other readers have been, that the results are possible for you? Of course I do. I wouldn't be dedicating my entire life to creating this information and getting it out if I didn't believe that.